How to fix Instagram cannot change name within 14 days. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel and let's get started. First thing first, if you are being shown that error, you have to make sure that you are using the latest version of your app. Head over to your Play Store. Then here, type in Instagram. While seeing Instagram, if you see update, you have to tap on update and update your app. If it shows open, that means your application is already updated. Once done, head over to your settings. Scroll all the way below until you see the option of apps. In here, again, search for Instagram. Tap onto it, scroll below and tap on storage. Here, clear the cache, and if you remember your credentials, you might also go ahead and tap on clear data and delete. Once done, come back onto app info page. Force stop, then OK. Under set as default, tap onto it and make sure that this button is untoggled. And once you do all that, this shall work. That is all for today, guys. Thank you for watching.